We can do this in two ways. The first way is to import an existing planner from your iPad or iPhone Files app. Or you can import it directly from the Goodnotes Marketplace. Let's jump into the video. Under New Document, select Import and browse for the planner inside the Files app window. Then open it in the Goodnotes app. The second method is importing from the Marketplace. Open the sidebar in the Goodnotes app and tap on Marketplace. Search for the planner or scroll to explore all available planners. Purchase the planner and start using it on your iPad in Goodnotes. You can also get access with a 7-day pro trial subscription or search for a free planner available in the Marketplace. Those are the easiest ways to add a digital planner to Goodnotes. I imported a planner from the Files app on my iPad, as explained in Method 1. To import another page from the Files app, tap on the plus button and select Import. Find the planner file and add it as the next page. To duplicate a page, tap on the down arrow icon and select Duplicate to create a copy of the page without importing it again. You can also scroll to the last page and swipe to add a new page with the same template. That's it! If you have any questions, comment below. Please like to support the channel and don't forget to subscribe for new video updates.